That's really stupid.
Do you want to wear those ones? We're going to, where are we going?
To Flicky.
Hi. You want to eat a salad? You will a little later. What?
Are you going? Oh, you're not going. I need better go.
Who's in the pool for the first time? Look at your first swim. Oh my goodness. Jojo, swim to me. Swim to me. Oh, you got me. Swimming. She literally already tried to die. I was putting sunscreen on Brooke. And she was playing in those little fountains and then just walked in. But I got her. We made her cough and she didn't have anything in her lungs.
I got you.
Oh, the pool is all ours.
I got you.
Oh, none of that. This is not cold. Oh, me too. Look at little Stella having the best time of her life.
Come on.
The time of her life. And I definitely needed my sister on this adventure because 3 children, like infant children and 2 swimmers, absolutely not. But let's relax. On your mark, get set, go! Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so fast. Oh my gosh. No, she's beating me. I'm swimming as fast as I can. Oh my gosh. Juju. No. You can't win. You can't win. Oh. I barely made it.
Now you have to do it out of
We have to swim back? Okay. Haha, gotcha! Kick your butt.
I'm so slow. I'm a little kid. I'm so slow.
Don't look too close. But I kind of braided. Don't look too close. Don't look too close. Good night.
Listen, if you call him again, I'll break your jaw.
I'm so tired. Why don't we sleep?
Why aren't we not sleeping? Why are we not sleeping?
Let's go to bed.
You want to get down on your knees again, don't you?
Night.
Go to hell.